Here we go, 3 more examples in 3 minutes. But stop the video right now, answer those questions, and then check what the answer is, see if we agree. I assume you're ready to go now. So here's our answers. On the first one, we have 8 and 12 that can be divided by 4. And then we have x squared and x to the power of 5. So that means we can take at most 2 x's, so that's x squared. Open bracket, let's divide 8 divided by 4 is 2. X squared divided by x squared is just 1, so we don't write anything. Next comes minus 12 divided by 4, that's minus 3. X to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 2 is x to the power of 3. And that's done. Let's check the next one. 2 terms, so minus 5 and 15. That means we can divide it by 5, but it would be better if we just take out a negative in front. So if you took out a 5, that's okay, but minus 5 is better. We really like to start with a positive number at the beginning, and that will make more sense later for factoring. So always take out a negative if the first term is negative. And then we got a to the power of 3, a to the power of 2. That means I can take at most 2 a's. And there's only one b, so we can't take b's on both terms. Okay, minus 5 divided by minus 5 is 1. A to the power of 3 divided by a to the power of 2 is just 1a. Nothing left. 15 divided by minus 5. Careful with the sign. So that's minus 3. A squared divided by a squared is 1. We don't write anything. And b, it just stays the way it is. And that's our answer. And last one. So I've got 12, minus 16, and 20. All can be divided by 4. I know that's a negative 16, but the main number, the number at the beginning, is positive, so we're going to take a positive 4. P to the power of 5, p to the power of 3, p to the power of 6, so the lowest number is 3, so we can take at least 3 from all of them. D to the power of 8, d to the power of 10, d to the power of 2. I can take 2 at most from all of them. So now let's divide. 12 divided by 4 is 3. P to the power of 5 divided by p to the power of 3 is p to the power of 2. D to the power of 8 divided by d to the power of 2 is d to the power of 6. Negative 16 divided by 4 is negative 4. P to the power of 3 divided by p to the power of 3 is 1. D to the power of 10 divided by d to the power of 2 is d to the power of 8. And now we got 20 divided by 4, which is plus 5. P to the power of 6 divided by p to the power of 3 is p to the power of 3. D to the power of 2 divided by d to the power of 2, it gives us 1. So everything multiplied by 1 stays the same. And that is the end of the 3 examples. Ask me questions if you need.